While writing about the education system of Gautam Buddha, R. Sachindiya has mentioned on the first page itself that जगाला युद्धाची नाही, बुद्धाची गरज आहे. The world needs peace and not war. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. We all know him as the embodiment of peace, serenity, wisdom and enlightenment. Gautam Buddha believed that the best way to control your anger is through meditation and thus win over all your emotion. Sachindiya always tells the importance of meditation to the students as well as teachers in his session. So dear parents, let us bring our hands together and welcome on stage the artists of 7 thinkers and creators, presenting before you a soulful performance. Sandesh Sangu Chala. So, what is education? Education is concentration and calmness.
खूप छान अप्रतिम जोरदार यांच्यासाठी टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ द्या.